Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. This is the 26th tutorial for Bootstrap beginners. Today, in this tutorial, we'll be discussing the topic is Bootstrap navigation bar. What we discuss on today? Bootstrap navigation bar. How to create navigation bar using Bootstrap. I will explain with example also. Before going to topic, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web tutorials and digital marketing technologies provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I'm going to topic. What we discuss on today? How to create navigation bar using Bootstrap. This is the normal HTML file I am create. Here I am write code type HTML meta asset sorry okay. Here I am calling only Bootstrap libraries script source Bootstrap script source Bootstrap JS Bootstrap.js library. Okay, next I am calling the local CSS file link relation shell sheet href css style.css type equal to text.css. Okay, body h1 Bootstrap navigation bar. Okay, here I am creating the nav class equal to navbar navbar-default navbar-default. Okay, here div class equal to container fluid div class equal to navbar header a class navbar brand navbar brand. Company name is, website name is SHS Tech Solutions. SHS Tech Solutions. Okay. Here I'm write the UL class equal to navbar okay. Next here li href equal to home about products services clients contractors okay. So check the output. Yeah, this is the output. Next here I am write the live class equal to active. Suppose this is the our product is the active. Yeah, this is the active class. I am write the small css for this margin 0, padding 0, body, background color, RGB 16, 11, 40. Okay. Next H1 color white. Okay. Color white, padding 20 pixel, margin bottom, sorry, border bottom 5 pixels, solid, solid. Okay. So we'll check the output. Text align center. Okay. Text align center. This is the navbar default navbar. Suppose I'm change the navbar inverse. Navbar inverse is the black color background. This is the black color background. Border radius 0 pixel, border none. Okay. So we check the output. Border radius none, border is none. Okay. Next background color. Okay. Yeah, this is the background color. Next time write the A color white, important, font size 8 pixel. Okay. Yeah, this is the process to create the navigation bar. I hope you all understand how to create navigation bar using Bootstrap. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. This is the active class. Class equal to active. Yeah, this is the active class. Okay. So guys, before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies and digital marketing tutorials also. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.